Hello students, we are learning NCERT Science and we are studying lesson number 4 mangoes round the year. In first part, I was explain you what is a food spoilage and what is the method of food preservation, how we can prevent our food from getting spoiled. And we saw one experiment also with the bread, how after some days how microorganism grow on a bread like fungus and bacteria. Now this is a second part of this lesson, and in the second part we are going to learn now one story of two brothers Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu, and the story of Aam Papad. Okay, Aam Papad means Mamadi Tandra. This word Mamadi Tandra is new for you. It means Aam Papad. In Andhra Pradesh, Aam Papad called Mamadi Tandra. So let's start the story. Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu, they are brother, like they are small like you. They live in Attepuram town, Attepuram city in Andhra Pradesh. Where is it? Andhra Pradesh state. The brothers spend their summer holidays by playing in the mango garden. There are lots of mangoes tree, and they spend their whole day there only by playing with mango and climbing on mango tree. So they also like to eat unripe mango with salt and chili. We also like mangoes, unripe mangoes, kacham with the salt and chili. So similarly they like also. At home their mother also cook lots of things from mangoes. She cook pickles, aam papads, many kinds of food their mother cooked at home. Now the pickle lasts through the year until the next mango season, and for using some preservatives, their mother prevent the mango pickle for a long term, for 1 year. Then one evening, what happened? One evening, while having a food, Chinna Babu asked to her mother. Amma means what? Mother. Amma, we have so many mangoes. Make some Mamadi Tandra, means Aam Papad, from them. So Chinna Babu asked his mother to make Mamadi Tandra from mangoes. Then their father, means Chinna Babu and Chitti Babu's father, said making Mamadi Tandra needs 4 weeks. How many weeks need to prepare to cook Mamadi Tandra? It's taking 4 weeks. Then it is very hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, then we can together make a Mamadi Tandra. So his father tell them to you, if you promise, if you are ready to take giving the efforts, then we will make this recipe. Okay, we will make this Mamadi Tandra, Aam Papad together. Then both brothers are very excited, and both brothers quickly agreed to help them. Then the next day, both the children went to the market, and with their father, they brought a mat woven from the leaves of the plum tree and poles of casurian tree, steering made of coconut husk from jaggery and sugar. So both the brother went to the market with his father, and they brought They brought a mat which are made from plum tree, and the poles which are made from kasurina tree, and some coconut husks they also brought, and jaggery and sugar. So for making Mamadi Tandra, these things are needed. What? Mat, then poles to set up the mat, and the string made of coconut husk, and jaggery and sugar. So this ingredient we need to cook Mamadi Tandra. So what happened next, we will see. Amma means what? Amma means that Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu's mother. They call their mother Amma. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard, means in the back side of their garden. They found a sunny place. Okay. Both the brothers made a high platform for using poles, and they brought no poles and mat, and so they made the poles. They made the some high platform to keep the Mamadi Tandra by using the mat and the poles. They spread out and tie the mat on the platform. Then the next day, Appa chose the most ripe mango, means पके हुए आम. Ripe mango means what? पके हुए आम. And unripe mango means what? कच्चे आम. They took out the mango pulp, means mango juice, and into the large pot, and they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. To remove the water moisturizer from the pulp, what they used muslin cloth. Okay. And the Chitti Babu crushed the gur, means jaggery, till there were no lumps. Okay, so for making Mamadi Tantra, we have to add jaggery, no? So we have to crush the jaggery till lumps will not create there. Lumps should not create there. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts. And they added the sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. Means we have to take equal amount of sugar to the pulp. Then Chinna Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. Amma then spread this pulp into thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. In the evening, they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid the dust. So what they done? They take ripe mango, and they take out the pulp from the mango, and they added the unequal quantity of jaggery to the pulp. After that, they spread that. After that, they take out the moisturizer of from the mango, and they keep in a they spread on a mat. And after that, in the sunlight, the mango pulps, that papad kept in a sunlight. And in the evening, they cover every day they cover the mat with the clean sari. For what they are doing this? Because to avoid the dust. In the next day, what happened? They again took some mangoes pulp and added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day layer. Again they spread one more layer in previous layer. This work was given to the both brothers. Means Chitti Babu and Chinni Babu are doing that. So Chinna Babu mixed jaggery and sugar with the big spoon, and then Amma spread all the pulp into the thin layer, okay, over the mat, and the thin layer was left to dry in the sun in their garden. In the evening, they covered that mat with cotton sari to avoid the dust. Then next year again this process will they do again. Again they make this mango pulp, and they added the jaggery and sugar into the pulp. And then what they doing? They spread the pulp over the previous day layer. This work was given to the both brothers, means Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu. Both of them together spread many layers over the mat for next 4 weeks. They hope that it will not rain. Okay. what happen if rain will come? That process of the Mamadi Tantra will stop then, because for making Mamadi Tantra, sunlight is necessary to dry the aam papad. Then after 4 weeks they added the layer after layer until the jelly grow for centimeters thick and they look like a golden cake. After some days, Amma said the Mamadi Tantra is ready. We can take out and cut into the pieces tomorrow. So in this way, after 4 weeks, Mamadi Tantra is ready. Then the next day, the mat was brought down, from the platform, and Mamadi Tantra was cut into the smaller pieces. The brother tasted it. It was very tasty. Chinna Babu said, "Wow, how tasty! After all, we have so help in making it." So, in this way, the Mamadi Tantra is ready. How many time Mamadi Tantra take to dry up? 4 week Mamadi Tantra take to dry up. Now you can see in these pictures. Observe this all picture. Here are the all process are given. In first picture, what the brothers are doing? See, let's first what are they doing in the first picture? They are playing in the garden, mango garden with mangoes. And the second picture, they bring things from the market with the father. And the third picture, in the third picture, the extract mango juice is taking out. And in this picture, the Amma and the both brothers are spreading the juice on the mat. And after 4 weeks, juice dry up to become, and mango papad is ready to eat. And they are tasting the mango papad. You can see in this picture.